This is a very rare car, 1942 Ford Woody Wagon. Gorgeous. There you see the sliding windows in the back and the 3 rows of seating, with the middle row shorter because you need entry into the back row. Notice the wooden ceiling there for the car. Gorgeous seating. Definitely a beautiful steering wheel, and that dash is just beyond description. And the gauges appear to be new. Very functional. That plastic used in the dash is exceptional. Now, production was ended a few months into the cycle, so that 42 production was ended, and those new vehicles would be diverted for war use by the military. Neat Illinois plate. And that grille is peculiar to 1942. Notice the top is built up with a covering. Very, very nice. And under the dash, you see in the middle there, air conditioning. So this car is air conditioned, I do believe. Of course, that would be added as an add-on later on. Because I think only Packard offered air conditioning in 42. And that was rare, very rare. There's a spare tire in the back. Just a gorgeous vehicle.